In this video, I'm going to show you how using subtasks within sprints will potentially restrict you from being able to complete your sprint, especially if the subtask is not completed. Subtasks are not allowed to be orphaned in sprints, so let's go ahead and go through this. Here I have on my board a series of subtasks that are not completed and a series of tasks and stories that are completed. I want to go ahead and close out my sprint, and in doing so, I'll get a warning that tells me that the sprint cannot be completed due to subtasks not being able to be orphaned, meaning they have to follow their parent. I will not be able to complete or close out this sprint until I go ahead and move any of the parents that are related to these subtasks back to an in-progress state or complete the subtasks and resolve them. By moving the parents back into an in-progress state, I will then be able to be prompted to either send those parent tasks back to my backlog, or I would be able to put them in to the next planned sprint. These subtasks will follow them no matter what, because they are not allowed to be orphaned natively within Jira. After implementing Jira for over 200 companies, we've seen the same failure story over and over. The Jira adoption started out small and then grew into a free-for-all mangled web of customizations that just didn't scale. If that's you, that's exactly what we help you fix. If you want help implementing or fixing Jira in a way that will grow with you no matter your success, hit the first link in the description below.